Cup V35. Bizarre bub, again.
At night, and a swing is swinging on its own on an empty playground. The person who shot this was passing by when he saw the swing moving by itself. However, there is something way more creepy in this video that we don't see. The same person who shot this had two phones with him at the time, his personal cell and work phone.
Dude, this is just getting worse and worse. First, you don't trust somebody with two phones, right? Second, you could have just swung the swing and then walked up to it and was like, oh yeah, I started recording because it was swinging before I got here. No, no, no.
He used both phones to record this in case someone might think that he's moving the swing. The work phone was recording from a different angle to prove this.
So he went and set it up on a phone pole? What how is he this high up? Is he in a tree? Like what?
However, it's the work phone that captures something that his personal cell didn't. In the footage shot by the work phone, there appears to be a silhouette of someone near the swings.
Maybe your friend that is standing there that is also helping you set this up?
Yeah.
And then you can say that you didn't swing the swing, your friend that's goofily standing in frame did? This is dumb. This is dumb. You guys just got caught.
In the other footage, there doesn't appear to be anyone there. After looking at both footages, it seems that he may have caught something unexplainable. But what do you think?
Wait. Wait a minute. Yeah, no, that doesn't make sense. I don't know if these are at the same time.
Did he catch someone who was looking at him? Or
okay, that kind of looks edited right there.
Is this something else?
I don't know, dude. That's weird. I mean, it's got to be set up. This work phone angle doesn't make sense to me. And just for you to call it a work phone doesn't make sense to. Where'd you put this? What is this? Are you on a light pole? I don't know. There's too many questions. That one sucked.
A family buys a doll from a thrift store.
Ew, why? Why this one? I mean, I can tell you in the dark that this is a bad one to get.
But ever since buying it, there's been nothing but strange occurrences taking place inside their home. They believe that the doll is haunted and is therefore responsible for the strange activity that's been happening. From toys turning on by themselves to things moving on their own, the family is stuck in a house that they believe is haunted. The family has no idea as to how they could stop the strange activity. But then one day, a friend of the family suggested that they light a white candle by the doll in the hopes that doing so would stop the activity. They do just that, but something very strange happens. The family sets up a camera in front of the doll to capture anything unusual that happens. This is what they caught. The candlelight mysteriously gets brighter, but unfortunately, this had no effect on the strange activity.
Bro, isn't that like a normal thing that candles do? There's more wick exposed and there's less like candle wax. Flame will get bigger. That's when you have to like cut the wicks of the candles because it's too long.
Things only appear to get worse. But then one day, the strangest incident happens. The daughter is playing with the doll when the following is caught on camera.
Better? You okay, baby? Oh, do you want to drink this here?
If you listen closely, you can almost hear what sounds like a slap.
What? Wait.
The daughter even says that she was hurt.
Well, that's the exact same moment that the doll hits the back of the crib thing, because that would make the most sense that that's the sound of the crib bumping up against the wall, right? Am I dumb?
The daughter even says that she was hurt. Viewers who've seen the video believe that the doll had slapped her. The parents also believe this, given the strange occurrences they've encountered. But what do you think? Did the doll actually slap her, or was it something else? Let me know your thoughts.
I mean, that's the problem. You gotta ask the kid. I don't know. I mean, it's a creepy ass looking doll. I think that's it.
Can we kiss you better? You okay, baby?
I feel like I am coping on this one. I mean, that's pretty good, I guess. It's not bad. I'll say that.
Ghost hunter Ganthu stays overnight at a store that is said to be haunted. He's invited by the store owner, who claims that the store is a hotspot for paranormal activity. In fact, the activity is so intense that the store owner is too afraid to spend the night there. It is hoped that his friend Ganthu will investigate the place and figure out what's going on. But little does Ganthu know that he would encounter something terrifying. Ganthu is by himself playing a video game when the following happens.
Isn't he supposed to be trying to figure out what's going on in the store? I mean, you're not going to perceive anything with this. You're not doing your job at all, buddy. What is that?
A faint apparition of a child can be seen in the corner observing Ganthu as he plays. Could this be the supposed entity that haunts the place, or is it something else? Now, it could be that this was an actual child who appears to look ghostly because of the quality of the footage, but that doesn't explain how fast the child moves at certain points.
It's the ring thing, and then it'll overlay sometimes like faintly, just like a ghost like that. I mean, come on, that one's really stupid. And there's no context, and the story doesn't line up with him playing a VR game right there. Like, yeah, you probably have your kid there too.
The following video was captured on a security camera that caught something downright terrifying. The person who posted the video writes, "After finding holes in the garage door, I checked the security camera, and this is what was recorded."
What the fuck?
If this isn't the stuff of nightmares, I don't know what is. There isn't that much info on the video except for the fact that it was captured in someone's backyard. But what do you make of this video? Real or fake?
Oh no, that might be a real person, but just like a disheveled looking bald dude who's like trying to creep around your backyard. I mean, he grabbed a whole piece. Yeah, he's like moving shit. And then the eyes is just because of the camera. Okay, I haven't seen that one.
Urban explorer Christopher Hill explores an abandoned school and encounters something pretty creepy. The school closed down in 2011 after being deemed unsafe due to structural damage. It's been 10 years and not a single soul is in sight.
Oh yeah, we should go inside. There's only structural damage. It couldn't be anything that would kill us. Come on.
Or so it seems.
Insane.
There's something ominous about this place, and it seems that someone or something is watching Chris. He's exploring the place when the following happens. Be sure to pay close attention or you'll miss it. As Chris walks down the hallway, we can see a row of lockers, some of which are open. But when Chris walks out of the room, all the lockers are now closed.
What? I didn't notice that.
Are open. But when Chris walks out of the room, all the lockers are now closed.
Yo.
As if that wasn't creepy enough, Chris is exploring another part of the building when the following happens.
That's a person.
What the f is that? Oh my god, do y'all see that? Oh, what?
That looked like a person.
Yo.
And he's gonna go forward? This guy's insane.
Chris sees what appears to be a glowing light. Now, it could be that he saw an animal as opposed to seeing something else. Yet viewers think that this might be something ghostly. However, I can't explain.
Wait, how would that be an animal? What animal would that be?
Yet viewers think that this might be something ghostly. However, I can't explain the lockers that seemingly closed by themselves. It was after Chris had seen the footage that he noticed. But this wasn't the only thing he missed. During his exploration, Chris had checked out an auditorium. There was something in there that he didn't see. Look very closely or you'll miss this one for sure.
Already been in here.
There appears to be someone sitting down in one of the seats. Perhaps this might have been a squatter. But viewers seem to think it was an apparition. Chris was
No, it looks like someone with a phone light on their face. So it's definitely a squatter.
definitely creeped out when he saw this. It's not certain if he'll be coming back to this place, but after seeing this, it seems likely that he won't.
Yeah, I don't know about the lockers thing. I mean, unless it was like a cut and he closed them and walked back and we didn't see that on camera or something. Like, and then you really wouldn't know. But wow. No, I thought that was like an eye, dude. I thought that was like someone's face. This light? I thought that was like someone's eyes in the beginning. But I guess it is just a flickering light. But he never went to go look at it, so we don't know what it is. Anyway, wow, that was a good end one. I like that. That was not bad. Bizarre Bub's so good. I mean, it's always like a couple of shit ones, but most of them are good. All right, next video.